Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So about a month ago I posted a huge Van Cleef & Arpels unboxing here on my channel, and if you haven't watched it, it will be linked up here and also in the description box, so make sure to check it out because it will all make sense in a minute because all of these items are connected to each other. And it's been a month already, and there was one item, one piece that wasn't available. It was nowhere to be found. We didn't know when to expect it, and we just had to wait for the factory to produce it. And you know, I thought it would take us 6 months, 7 months, a year to receive this piece, but it was actually way shorter. It took us about a month, and a month later here we are with another unboxing. Here is the bag. As always, it is fully wrapped and I'm just super excited. By the way, if you're new to my channel, hi, welcome. My name is Aika. I post a lot of fashion related videos, shopping vlogs, reviews and unboxings. So if you're interested in any of these topics, then make sure to hit the red button down below and also turn on the bell to be notified every time I post something new. And you can also follow me on Instagram. It's at bonjouraika. And with that said, let's dive into the unboxing of this item. I'm so excited. It is so beautiful in real life, and I actually have a few items here. So my essay added a few little gifts. This is the main item I wanted to show you, but first, as always, let's start with gifts. Number one is this small box from Van Cleef, and I actually never had this item before. I didn't know they have these items in there, but it's a candle, and ooh, I can smell it already. Here's the little cap. And you know, I love candles. I have a lot of candles throughout the apartment, but I don't light them. I don't know why. I just feel bad because I know they're gonna finish and I don't want that. So I just use them for decor purposes. And so now I get to add one more beautiful candle from Van Cleef. It's called Rose Velour and it smells so nice. Oh, I love it. Isn't it pretty? It's so cute. And now let's quickly open item number two. And this is once again from Bernardo. I have a few things from there that my essay gifted me. So I have another candle, and then I have also a little tray for jewelry maybe. And here's another piece from the same brand. I haven't seen it, but it actually is the same tray as I already have, and it is beautiful, I'm not gonna lie. And I'm happy that I now have two, so I can put them proportionally on two different sides of the wall, because we have this shelves on the walls and I keep one on one side, and so now I'm gonna add the other one to the other side, so that's pretty cool. And now let's finally unbox and see this beautiful item that I've been waiting for. I have all the receipts and booklets here. I also have a travel pouch as well, and this is the beautiful package. Oh, this is so pretty. The wrapping is so beautiful. I almost don't want to open it, but at the same time I cannot wait to show you this piece. Oh, and then we have this beautiful jewelry case. These cases in olive green velvet are just so beautiful, but the item inside is even more beautiful. And you guys are ready? Wow. So here is my new gorgeous necklace from Van Cleef Lucky Collection. Wow, it is so beautiful, and I love that it has all these different motifs. They are so beautiful. So this is a necklace from the Lucky Collection. As you can see, I'm wearing my lucky bracelet as well as my lucky earrings, and I have decided to go for this white t-shirt blouse, so it will stand out a little bit more against the plain outfit, so you can see how it looks like on me. This necklace has 12 motifs, and they're all different ones. So it has two carnelian in the shape of two hearts. The hearts are massive, actually. They're even bigger than on the bracelet, so they're super huge. Then it has 5 mother of pearls, so the 2 in gray color and then 3 in white, with tiny little one of them, because this is actually an invisible lock, and I'm going to show you how it works a little bit later. Then it has 3 malachites in the form of this cute leaves, and yes, oh, and 2 tiger eyes, completely forgot, in the shape of butterflies. And the necklace is 88 centimeters long. You can of course double it and wear it as a double necklace, but I'm not gonna lie, it will look sort of short, so it will be approximately down till here, but I will show that option to you as well. It is in yellow gold and it is beautiful. Let me take it out so I can try it on. I think I mentioned in my previous video that this collection was launched in 2006 for 100th anniversary of Van Cleef & Arpels brand, and this whole collection was inspired by nature, with all the beautiful leaves and hearts and butterflies. So the invisible lock, the way it works is you have to press on these 2 little thingies, and voila, this is how it works. And I love that it's invisible, because this way, even if your necklace turns, and this happens pretty often to me, and in my experience it always looks ugly when you have a lock here, for example, and everyone can see it. I always have to touch my necklace and fix it if it turned a little bit, but in this case nobody will know. I love that it has gray pearls as well, gray mother of pearl, because it's different and it creates some sort of contrast, and it looks like you have more different motifs, different variations of motifs, and this is what it looks like on me. So what do you guys think? Isn't it pretty? Oh, this necklace is honestly everything, and having a whole set together is so beautiful. There's also a ring that I showed you in my video. I will include some mod shots. I didn't put it today because it was a little bit too much, but having this set gives you a flexibility of choosing what you want to wear and how you want to play around with your jewelry pieces. So sometimes I could just wear my necklace with my long earrings from the same set. Other days I can just put on my bracelet, necklace and regular earrings, because I also have just mother of pearl earrings without the butterfly, so I can do that. So I can really play around with the set. I can wear my bracelet and earrings, ring and earrings, ring and necklace, and so on. So it gives me that flexibility, but of course if I want to be that extra I can put everything all at once, but it just won't look that nice. In my opinion, you always have to sacrifice 1 or 2 things to make it look really elegant and sophisticated. But this is the new necklace. I will include some mod shots, of course, as always. This is such a perfect piece for summer. It has so many beautiful colors, summery colors, spring colors, and yes, I could not be happier when my SA told me that it has finally arrived, and now I'm gonna try and double it and I will show you how it looks on me. And this is what it looks like doubled, and I love both ways, honestly. And I think if I had a deep v-neck, for example, shirt, it would look so beautiful as well, and this necklace would actually stand out even more. But against a white t-shirt like this one, it looks beautiful as well, in my opinion. What do you guys think? Oh, it's a stunning piece, and we are also waiting for another one like this because my mom also has the same set and she also really wants a necklace, so we are patiently waiting, and I'll keep you guys posted on that as well. But this is it for my today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!